Welcome to a world where technology is reshaping our future. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most revolutionary concepts in the digital age, blockchain. It's not just about cryptocurrency, it's about transforming how we trust, trade, and transact. Stay tuned as we explore how this powerful technology is fighting corruption, securing data, and even disrupting industries you wouldn't expect. Corruption, under-the-table deals, and black money, these are challenges that have plagued societies for decades. But what if there was a way to create a system so secure and transparent that manipulation is nearly impossible? Enter blockchain, a decentralized ledger system that is changing the game. By distributing data across multiple nodes, blockchain ensures that no single entity can alter the records, making it a formidable tool against corruption and fraud. Imagine a record-keeping system where no single person holds the keys. In a blockchain, power is shared and data is stored across multiple nodes. Each transaction is a block, and these blocks are linked together, forming a chain. Once added, it's almost impossible to alter the data without altering every subsequent block, a task that's near impossible. Think of it like a ledger, where every transaction is meticulously recorded. Except here, each record is tamper-proof, thanks to the power of cryptography. Every block in the chain contains 3 key pieces of information: transaction details, a timestamp, and a unique identifier known as a hash. The hash is like a fingerprint, unique to each block, ensuring that any change in one block will trigger changes in all subsequent blocks, flagging it as tampered. This makes blockchain one of the most secure ways to store data. It all starts with the Genesis block, the first block in the chain. From here, every new block links back to the previous one, creating an unbreakable chain of trust. Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin, it's revolutionizing industries across the board. In real estate, it ensures that property records are transparent and immutable. In healthcare, it secures patient data, allowing doctors access to accurate and unaltered medical histories. And in finance, it's eliminating the need for middlemen, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. For instance, sending money across borders traditionally involves banks, conversion fees, and a lot of waiting. But with blockchain, you can send cryptocurrency directly to the recipient, cutting out the middleman and reducing fees to a fraction of what they were. The future is bright for blockchain technology. It's not just about financial transactions, it's about creating a more transparent, trustworthy, and decentralized world. Whether you're a startup, an entrepreneur, or just someone curious about the future, learning about blockchain could be the key to unlocking new opportunities. With languages like Solidity, developers can create smart contracts, self-executing contracts where the terms are written into the code itself. It's automation and trust combined, paving the way for more secure and efficient business processes. So, whether you're looking to understand blockchain for your business or simply want to stay ahead of the curve, now is the time to dive in. If you're interested in a step-by-step tutorial on how to implement blockchain, drop a comment below. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and keep exploring Tech Unlocked for the endless possibilities of blockchain. See you in the next video.